Maintaining vegetation should be done routinely from the spring through fall. Depending on the amount and type of vegetation you need to control, a variety of landscaping tools will be needed. Stormwater facilities are designed to treat and manage runoff using specific plants, soils, and slopes. Uncontrolled vegetation can damage important parts of your facility, overtake beneficial plants, and, in some cases, spread noxious weeds. Maintaining vegetation in your facility will help it function as intended and can save time and money later on by avoiding costly repairs and making subsequent maintenance easier. In swales and ponds, vegetation around pipes, concrete structures, and grates must be controlled. Grass in your swale bottoms should be kept between 4 and 9 inches. On side slopes of swales and ponds, keep grass below 12 inches. If weeds or trees are present, it's best to identify the plant to know how to control it properly. Some trees may need small amounts of herbicide brushed on after cutting to prevent resprouting. Not all jurisdictions allow herbicide use in stormwater facilities, so contact them first. Tree roots can damage underground pipes, push structures, and leaves create shade that prevent grass from growing. Removing trees early when they're still small is the best approach. Some types of facilities, such as bioretention cells, are designed to include trees. Contact your local jurisdiction if you have questions about removing trees. If bare soil exists in your swale, you will need to replace the grass. Purchasing sod is the most effective way to replace grass. Hydro seeding is another option. Spreading grass seed, while allowed, is particularly challenging since it requires perfect timing during the spring or fall, and heavy rains can wash away the seed. If seeding grass in late spring through summer, you'll need irrigation to establish the grass. The end result must be lush grass. Weeds also need to be controlled in your stormwater facility. It's important to remove weeds before they go to seed, typically in the late summer. For questions about identifying and controlling weeds, contact your local vegetation management department. Check with your local jurisdiction about using herbicides and be sure to follow the manufacturer's directions for use. Never broadcast spray herbicides or use weed and feed products. If your facility is severely overgrown, you may need to contact a landscape professional or contractor to do the work. Contact your local jurisdiction for information about inspections and requirements specific to your stormwater facility.